All right, what's up guys? Tourist fishing here, and I'm back out here on the chain with my buddy Josh over there. You can probably see him down over there. And doing a quick afternoon sesh. We got about 2 hours to fish. Let's see what we can catch. All right guys, I wasn't recording, but finally got our first fish of the trip here. Oh no, hold on a second here. Oh, I'm crashing into the wall right now, but he smacked it. He felt like a big one at first. I'm not gonna lie. Dude, oh my gosh, this is such a mess. Dude, I might need some help. Dude, I'm stuck. Oh no. Hook this. Alright guys, this is our first fish of the evening there. He's small, but you know what, I'll take it. Gonna let him go. Let's get out of here. We gotta get out of here for sure. Hit it right at the mouth, right in the mouth of the canal where I expected him to bite. Alright. Let's get back out there though. Yeah, that was me. Dude, this wind's making me go fast. I'm having a real. Yeah, I know.
Oh, there's already a bass boat running our strip. That's a good sign.
There's one. Got another one. Yeah. He feels a little bit better, maybe just the same size, but he's gonna jump. He's bigger. He choked it. He got it like.
I knew as soon as that bird connected.
Alright.
Try not to get angry.
Don't worry, man. Don't worry. There's fish to come for you, okay? Alright guys, wait. Oh yeah, I'm recording. Alright guys, there's our second fish of the day right there. Should be, let me check. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and let her go. Oh, that's where I got slammed, dude.
Grass, that's why there's grass there.
No.
I know, but I'm saying he was sitting in the grass.
Yeah.
I'm all wrapped up.
I got hit again.
Did you?
Yeah. Dang, man. Gonna be my dude, it is so much worse over there. Right there's one. That's a good one. Never mind. He's about the same size as the last one. All right. Right there on the one knocker. He bit in the middle. There you go. Isn't it? Yeah, I was just reeling it quick, but yeah, it's not the biggest fish in the world, but still pretty fun. I'll take it. Isn't it? Oh, of course. One random piece of grass out in the middle. Huh?
I got a good fish. Big. Yo.
All right.
Yeah!
Did he come off?
5-pounder.
All right. I got you, man. Oh, nice. There you go. See what I told you? He's like 2, 3.
3.5. That's it. That made every last bit of it worth it.
See what I told you? You just gotta take it easy. He looked pretty big from where I was at, so.
He jumped it. I thought he was 5. But he's not bad. 3, maybe 2.5.
Yeah, he's like 2.5, maybe 2. You want to measure him?
Yeah, why not? The scale on, or this honestly saved me because he was fairly hooked. If he would have jumped one more time, he would have been out.
He came off as soon as he.
No. I got him off. I had
Oh.
him on the lip with one hook, like one good throw, and he would have been off. Oh, honestly, I'm really glad I grabbed this net before I left. Though.
Oh yeah. All right, let's see how much she measures.
What are you saying? I'm saying.
I'm saying at least maybe
18.
Yeah, 17, 18.
Yeah, I'm saying 18. Max, not even 20. No way 20.
Let's see.
Take a peek. Hey.
Yeah, 18, about 18 and a half, 18.
Oh yeah. Let me see.
There you go, man. Congrats on your nice fish.
Thank you. Finally, I cannot be angry.
Show them one last time to the camera. That would be a good thumbnail.
Yeah.
All right.
And I was doing fishing it sideways, like he bit right where I am.
Oh, like right there?
Yeah, a little bit this way.
See if,
Fish over here too.
oh yeah.
Out in the middle.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
There we go. I got one.
Yeah, I'm still getting bit too.
Whatever it is, it's another little bass. There we go. Z-Man produces.
Alright, I gotta try it. Now that you did it.
All right, there we go.
Got me a 3.
Next time I see a chair, I'm gonna cast at it. Should have known the chairs hold fish. All right, what I'm gonna try and do, since now I'm in the grass, I'm gonna try and cast this chatterbait up in this cove and see if I can get bit. All right, guys. So as I was passing through this pocket, dozens of fish were up in here, including gar. There was like a whole school of gar up in here. I got right up to them, and as soon as I tried throwing a fluke at them, as soon as I moved a muscle, they spooked. So that kind of sucks. It's all good though. Dang, I wish I could have gotten the blow up on camera. Got a nice one. He hammered the crawl on top. First cast, man. Let me get the net. Whew. Hell yeah. There's our first fish of the day, right? Or not first fish, but our second fish of the day. Dang. He destroyed that crawl on top, man. That's a decent one though. I'm gonna try and commit to throwing this chatterbait around a little bit more often. There we go. He's a small one, but finally got on the chatty. He's barely hooked. Come on. Finally. God, that took forever, man. There's another one finally on the board. He's probably just a tad bit smaller than the last one, but he smacked it. There he goes. Finally, man. That took way too long. Way longer than it needed to.